Over the last 2 years, CS2 skins ran hot. Most takes miss the China market's role behind that hit. What follows may change how you read this market. Updates and player growth mattered, but the real driver was the China market's capital and the trading run. Today, I will explain that structure and share my view for September. First, most traders know China's marketplaces are highly centralized. Skin liquidity is concentrated on UP and above. Compared with the West's fragmented venues, traders in China can source large volumes at relatively stable price, and the huge user base gives these platforms the capital to build faster, often ahead of global sites. A recent example is the instant sentiment after the trade protection change.
Second, the China market tends to trade skins like equities and groups them into sectors. Beyond the native in-game sectors like agents and stickers, traders also recognize price-band sectors. For example, the 100 guns, the EG is in living color, and the 1000 guns, the EG is print stream, and then is the mid-tier skins. The mid collection is, for example, like the Desert Eagle Blaze, and the middle gloves, for example, is the foundations. And the large items, the EG is the gold arabesque, and the last is the ultra items, for example, the Dragon Law. On Steam DT, you can see each sector's index and the leaderboard of movers, which means you can find the best and the worst performance items in one sector. Third, I know many people read keylines or candles to judge direction. In the CS market, that's only auxiliary. It's an unregulated venue. If you have enough capital, you can paint almost any chart. That's why information is paramount. If you know which items have active bankers or teams working them and you pick to operator back the items, your returns can be multiples of a scattershot approach. Now I will give my September views. Assuming there is no any updates for the trading system. To the 100 guns, most items will be end in the September, and only a few items which has a strong bankers behind can pump much higher. Agents are holding up better than the 100 price guns. I still expect one more pump, and the top agents are likely to print 1000 yuan. And after the pump, the agent's trade is likely to cool off, and the rotation should take over. If you are experienced traders, we are already seeing sector rotation. Capital is migrating from the 100 price guns into mid and large items. For mid-tier gloves, this upswing is only just the beginning. I expect a bolder, stronger pump ahead. And as liquidity rotates, mid-tier collections are likely to rise alongside. After we caused a big move in hundreds and agents, we moved early and locked in our mid-tier build-out. If you want my specific skin picks, you can join my free group. And for earlier entry ranges, strong banker items picks, and the exit type, just join my paid knowledge membership. If you think my content is helpful, just leave a like and subscribe. In my next video, I will break down how bankers to operate an item and where the profits come from.